Are you overpaying for automotive service and repair? The short answer is yes, likely by 50%. If you're a two-vehicle household, that's more than $1,000 a year. If you've negotiated free oil changes at the dealership, or you go in for their oil change special but you come out with a $500 bill later, that's a problem. Vehicles are becoming less mechanical. Why are labor rates and shop fees going up? Regular maintenance is defined as oil, brakes, and preventative and cosmetic repairs. This is a big industry in North America. Revenue has eclipsed new car sales at dealerships. This market is ripe for disruption. If your vehicle does require mechanical work, the most common services are oxygen sensors, airflow sensors, catalytic converters, and this makes up 1/3 of all auto repairs and expenses on an annual basis. If you need that service, consider getting all those items done at once. These parts are only $40 or $50 each, and it's the shop labor rate that makes you come out with a bill that's north of $500. Don't get Beep for service.